Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today Samsung has released the One UI March update, the March security patch to the S25 and S25 Ultra here in the US, and that does include unlocked models. If you have a carrier unit, you might have started getting this a few days ago, but it just hit the unlocked models today. And this really isn't too much of an update. It is mainly just the security update for the March security patch. There aren't any visible or noticeable UI changes or additions. We still have the October 1st Google Play system update, and I did check for another update after updating to the March security patch, hoping this would be updated as well. However, it was not, so nothing there. Another thing is we do not have any of the battery stats that we were hoping to get here in One UI 7, like some of the other units do in the European Union or the UK. I think it's a European Union rule that they might have some of that stuff. So here in the US, we only have the battery status, battery level, and battery capacity. Nothing changes here. It does not give you the cycles or the battery health or the date of first use or manufacture, anything like that. And everything else is the same. So not a big update whatsoever. This is the second update for the Galaxy S25 lineup since it came out. And we are still missing some of those features that we were hoping to get within the first couple of updates from the launch. However, we haven't seen any of that quite yet. So hopefully Samsung brings some of those battery stats features over to the US. I know a lot of people they're either anxious about it, they don't like seeing their battery health drop, or they really want to see how many cycles they're putting on their battery, how their battery health is doing. And I'm in that boat. I do want to see those statistics on my phone. I really like that my iPhone and my iPad show that, and I hope that the Galaxy S25 eventually will as well. So there is that. If you guys want to purchase an S25 right now, I have a link to the S25 Ultra in my description. Right now, if you pay $8 a month for the Samsung Galaxy Club, you can save $420, bringing the S25 Ultra in pink or the jet black like I have here down to $999 without a trade-in. You do not have to keep the Galaxy Club at $8 a month. You can cancel that anytime, so you just need to pay the $8, get the phone on sale, and then you can cancel it. If you do keep the Galaxy Club, though, you do get Samsung Care Plus included in that, so you are saving a little bit of money there. I think Samsung Care Plus is like $10 or $12, so you'd be paying like $2 less, plus you'd get a significant discount on the phone. Using the link in the description really helps my channel, so I really do appreciate when you guys use that link. Even if you're just buying a case or something, it really helps out a lot, so thank you guys for that. Check out that in the description down below. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.